Hi guys, and welcome to Python tutorial for beginners. In this tutorial I'll be dealing with integers. You can see here in this program we will work with integers which are used to represent whole numbers. We will perform basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. Operations are common in programming for tasks such as calculation, counting, and indexing. So to start with, the very first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to declare two integers. You can see on the instruction here. Let's declare two integers. So let's go for num1. And the value for num1, we can just call that maybe 129. Now let's go for num2. And num2, we can make that maybe about 24. And that is it right there, the variable num2, num1. Now, what we want to do is we want to add these together. So let's come in here. Let's declare a variable that we'll call addition. So addition result, that is the name of my variable. That will become num1 plus num2. There. So all they need to do is just to print it out. So let's say print. And in there we can say addition. That will be addition result. So grab hold of that, dump it right here. There we go. So that's the first part of the integer functions that we just had a look at. So let me save and run this and see how that's going to look like. First of all, save that, and we call that using integer lesson yt integer. So that's fine. So I'm going to run that now. Click on run. There we go. Those two values were added together, and that's the answer there. Now the next thing is let's work on subtraction. As you can see, we have subtraction underneath here. I'm going to copy all of that, dump it right here. Maybe change the variable. We change that to subtraction so that you guys don't get that mixed up. Make this lowercase. There we go. And we now want to call subtraction here. And change the data we have in here. Instead of addition, we change that to subtraction. There, we've just finished dealing with subtraction. So let's run that. Okay, but we need to change the operator to subtract. So let's run that now and see what's going to happen. Run. And there we go. Addition is 153. Subtraction is 105. Now let's go for multiplication. I'm going to grab a hold of that. Dump it right here. And again, let's change all of these. So let's change this to multiplication. And change the operator here to multiplication. Here we change that to multiplication as well. And here change that to multiplication. There we go. Now run. There we go. Look at that. Okay, let's deal with division. I'm going to grab all of this, dump it right here. Division. In the case of division, we change the operator as well and change the variable names. So let's change that to division and change this to division. And here, change whatever we have in here to division. There we go. Okay, you can see this variable is now called here. And let's run that. Run. Look at that. Alright, now let's have a look at modulus. In the case of modulus, you will see, for those of you who are new to programming, instead of division, I'm going to use the percentage sign, and let's change that to modulus. That becomes modulus. Modulus here as well, but let's change this to lowercase m, and here as well. There we go. Let's see what's going to happen with modulus. Run. There. Oh, let's see. I think there's a space in here. Let's close that space. Close this as well. There must not be any space in a variable. Now run. There we go. Look at that. Modulus is always the remainder when you divide. Okay, what about the exclamation? In the case of exclamation, all we need to then do is just enter the multiplication sign twice. Come in here. Let's move this up so that you guys can see what we're working on. Yeah. Okay, so exclamation or exponential. We're dealing with exponential now. With the exponential, so change that to E exponential, and here change it to exponential as well, and here change that to exponential, and here exponential. That is how we write exponential in Python. Okay, so that's fine. There's no error, let's hope so. So let's run that. Run. There we go. Look at that. Boy. Alright, that's exponential taken care of. Now we want to take care of the floor division. In the case of floor division, I'm going to grab hold of this. Just grab hold of all of this. Dump it here. And that is going to be floor division. I'm going to grab hold of all of this. Floor division. Let's add a bracket in here and repeat the same thing here. Floor division, just there. That's how we use floor division, and we change this to floor division. There we go. I believe it's all taken care of now, so let's run that and see how that's gonna work. Okay, let's say floor division, integer division. So I might as well make that class come in here. Floor division, integer division. There we go. Right. So let's run. There we go, guys. Look at that. So guys, that is how you use, or that's how you work with integer in Python. So guys, this is just a beginner's tutorial, and there will be more. So with that, I'm going to call it the end of this tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching, and please do subscribe to my channel. You all have a nice day now, and bye for now.